In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a WordPress account. If you've decided it's time to part ways with your WordPress account, whether to simplify your online presence, start fresh, or move to another platform, this tutorial is here to guide you every step of the way. Deleting your account ensures all your associated sites and content are removed permanently. So it's an important decision that requires careful attention. Don't worry though, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to complete the process safely and confidently. Now, before we begin, if you don't already have a WordPress account but are curious about the platform, you can find a registration link in the description below. All right, let's get started. First things first, open up your browser and head over to www.wordpress.com. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login option. This will take you to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your login credentials. That's your email address or username along with your password. Alternatively, if you've linked your WordPress account to Google, you can simply click on Continue with Google and select the Google account you've associated with WordPress. Depending on your setup, you might also see a Continue button pop up to confirm your choice. So just go ahead and click it if needed. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard, which is also referred to as My Home. Now that you're in your dashboard, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see either your name or your avatar. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on the option that says My Profile. On the My Profile page, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. Look for the option labeled Account Settings and click on it. This will take you to the Account Settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your WordPress account. Scroll down through the Account Settings page until you find an option that says Delete your account permanently. It's usually toward the bottom of the page, so take your time to locate it. When you're ready, click on Delete your account permanently. Now, it's important to understand that this action will remove not only your account, but also all the websites and content associated with it. Make sure you've exported any content you want to save before proceeding, because once the account is deleted, there's no way to recover it. After clicking the Delete option, WordPress will guide you through several prompts and warnings to confirm your decision. These steps are in place to ensure you truly want to delete your account, so read everything carefully as you go as an added security measure. WordPress may also ask you to re-enter your password to verify that it's really you making this request. Once you've completed all the confirmation steps, your account will be permanently deleted. Remember, this action is irreversible, so double check that you're absolutely certain before you finalize it. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to delete your WordPress account, including all the necessary steps and precautions. If you have any questions or need clarification on any part of the process, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.